Hi guys, Bon here. Today we are going to be giving you guys an update on the current situation of America and the financial crisis. And we are going to be giving you guys 3 tips on how to prepare for the financial crisis that is currently happening right now. And these tips are for employers, employees, and people who are looking to invest and make some extra money once the financial crisis is over. So, stay tuned. So before I get started, I'd like to wish you guys all the best for the upcoming weeks and months. I know that some of you guys are still going to work and helping out people who really need the help. I also know that some of you guys are working from home, and I hope you guys enjoy that and appreciate that while it lasts. So what is currently going on in the financial world today? Well, as of Monday, March 16th, everything is down. And not just a little bit down. Everything is astronomically down. Right? In the morning, it was down 10%. Right? Again, the stock market had to stop trading for 15 minutes so that everything could cool down. And even afterwards, it was still averaging 9 or 10% in the morning. As the day continued, it went up to around 7 or 8%. Currently, it is in the mid 6 to 7%. And that is still really, really bad, considering that last week it had 3 negative days, okay? And it's not just like small negative days. There were very, very big negative days, okay? 3%, 5%, 7, 9%, okay? It was just a disaster last week. And the beginning Monday of this week, it didn't get any better. So right now, people are still scared to death about the virus. People are staying home, not going to businesses. Events, shows, and sports games are all canceled and rescheduled because they don't want people to get sick. And because of that, people are not spending money and businesses cannot grow and they are in a sharp decline. So until things get better, businesses probably won't get better. Some businesses are allowing employees to work from home, and that means less productivity and less response time for when things happen in the business. Also, if you're in Southern California, school is off for the next 3 to 4 weeks. And that means that parents who rely on schools to take care of their young kids while they're off to work would have to stay at home to take care of their kids. And that means less income for them and more expenses because they'd have to take care of the kids in terms of food, laundry, maintenance, and everything else. So currently, it is not the best time that America has ever seen. It's actually quite the opposite. It's one of the worst times that America has ever seen. I'm pretty sure that it's even worse than the 2008 financial crisis. So, in order to help you guys in whatever way that I can, here are 3 tips for you guys if you guys are an employee, an employer, or someone who's just looking to invest. Number 1, apply for unemployment insurance. If you guys are an employee and you guys are unemployed because of the coronavirus, you guys should apply for EDD. You should sign up right away. The earlier you sign up, the more likely that you will have a chance to receive unemployment insurance. Because chances are, everyone's going to apply to it when they run out of money. It's better if you guys apply for it first and then just wait until they call your name. Unemployment insurance pays you weekly, and it covers up to $580 per day, and depending on how much your income was before you were laid off. Obviously, you're not going to be making as much as you would if you were working, but every little bit helps, especially when you have no idea how long this crisis is going to last for. So apply for it now and wait your turn until you get it. And I know that for some of you guys hate filling out paperwork. I mean, I hate it too. It's just a total nightmare. But let me ask you guys, how much money would they have to pay you so that it would be worth your time to fill out the forms? And the forms take 30 minutes to an hour to fill out. So if you're making $25 an hour, that hour would be worth 25 bucks. And I can guarantee you, if they pay you, they would pay you a whole lot more than $25. Now, this is for parents with kids at home. If your kids are staying home because of the coronavirus, there's a good chance that the school district is providing free lunches for kids under 18. Right? No ID necessary. If you have a kid, you guys can go up to the place and ask for a lunch. Number 2, if you are a small business owner, you should apply for the SBA's Economic Injury Disaster Loan. The SBA is the Small Business Administration, and it helps small businesses grow or survive through tough times. The SBA's Economic Injury Disaster Loan offers up to $2 million in assistance for a small business. The interest rate is 3.75 for small businesses without credit available elsewhere. Businesses with credit available elsewhere are not eligible. Sorry. The interest rate for nonprofit is 2.75%. Without credit available elsewhere means that it would cause you hardship to acquire a loan from somewhere else. Now, that does not mean that you will get the loan if you have bad credit. The government isn't fond of loaning money to people who can't pay them back. If you have a credit score below 620, you are unlikely to get the loan. Preferably, businesses with credit score above 640 are more likely to get the loans. Statistics from SBA shows that 50% of people who apply for the loan usually gets it. That is, if you have a score above 620. Most people who apply for the loan are below 620, so automatically they are disqualified from the loan. If you are a business owner with good credit, then go to your bank and ask for a loan. The feds have cut the interest rates down to almost zero. It's 0.25% right now. So that makes the banks a lot more inclined to help you out and give you guys a loan. Okay, and the third tip that I have you guys is the most important tip. And that is to take care of yourself and be prepared. Right? What does that mean? Right? Being prepared means that you guys are saving money. I know I said this in the last video, but I'm not sure everyone made it all the way through. So I'm going to say it again. Right? Be prepared for what's going to happen within the next few weeks or few months. The most important thing that you guys can do is to make sure that you guys are taking care of yourself. You guys need to take care of yourself first before you guys take care of your family. Just like in an airplane, if an emergency happens, you put on your gas mask first. Then you help someone else. So if you are not prepared for yourself or your family, then you cannot help anyone else. And being prepared means that you are exercising and staying healthy, as well as saving money so that you would have enough money to last throughout the whole financial crisis. And nobody really knows how long that's going to last, because no one knows how long this coronavirus is going to last. So make sure you guys are prepared. Save as much money as possible, and then don't go outside. Stay safe and save money. Also, being prepared means that you guys are saving money for when the financial crisis actually ends, because it will definitely end. Once the financial crisis is over, put your money into an index fund and let it ride for the next few years. The money will grow beyond your imagination. At the lowest point of the financial crisis, the S&P dropped to 780 points. Last month, before this financial crisis, the S&P was up to 3,300 points. That is more than a 4-time return on your money. That is absolutely crazy. So, am I saying that you guys will get that return? No, I'm not saying that you guys will get that return. What I am saying is that if you wait till the financial crisis is almost over, and you put your money into an index, let it ride for a few years, you will get over 100% return on your money. That is definitely guaranteed if you hold it long enough. Now, you may ask, how long is long enough? I would say less than 5 years. If the index drops 50% because of the financial crisis, I believe that it'll only take 1 to 2 years for the index to go back to where it was. In the 2008 financial crisis, it only took 2 to 3 years for the stock market to go back to where it was before the financial crisis. So it's not a very big exaggeration. If you just wait until the market is low enough, put your money in there, and then just let it ride for the next few years. The tricky thing is, when is the market going to be at its lowest point? Well, I'll make a video on that very, very soon. Well, that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you really like the content, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. Please put it below. So, until next time, bye.